Welding is vital for many industries, but it also produces harmful fumes that can affect workers' health and the environment. That's where the MERV rating for welding fume extraction comes in. But what exactly is MERV and why does it matter? Let's find out. MERV stands for Minimum Efficiency Reporting Value, which measures the efficiency of air filters. The higher the rating, the better it can capture harmful particles. So, why is choosing the right MERV rating important? Welding fumes contain a mix of metals and gases that can cause respiratory issues if inhaled, and prolonged exposure can lead to serious health complications. When selecting a MERV rating, consider the type of welding being done, the volume of fumes produced, and the size of particles. And for added flexibility and convenience, consider a portable welding fume extractor. At IP Systems, we understand the importance of clean air in welding environments. That's why we offer state-of-the-art VOC fume extraction systems tailored to your needs. Don't wait for tomorrow. Invest in the best for a safer and healthier work environment. Contact IP Systems and breathe easier tomorrow.